Adam's Atrocities. And of course, here's what I just got in the mail, an IFixit kit. The Essential Electronics Toolkit. But here we're just going to unbox it because it just came in the mail now. So here we have the set. And yeah, looks like it does have tape. So what's missing? Oh yeah. This is what it's missing. So now I gotta try to open it up. See if I can do it without cutting myself. Yeah, hold on a second. Okay, I'm gonna try something a little bit different. It's gonna be super unconventional, but please bear with me. We're just gonna flip the camera around and we're actually gonna just try to do it like this. Okay. Whew. That's really, you can tell that's really sharp when it really slices through the box like that. Kind of a cool design though, rather. And this booklet. Welcome to the repair revolution. Ah. A sticker sheet. Might have to put one of those on the switch once I fix it. I fix it. Anyway. Kinda get old, probably. And now the kit itself. Now we just gotta figure out how this opens. Oh! Yep, like that. Okay. Now we gotta flip this around. Here we go. And there's the entire kit. Now, it's all kind of sloppy and kind of, I mean, you know, because I have no idea what happened, honestly. This is what they call their, and I'm probably going to say it wrong, but their Spudger. Don't quote me on that. I can't quite get it back in because, well, look at that, because I'm getting it in wrong. It's okay. Here we got the tweezers. It's good for grabbing stuff, but it's also good for plucking eyebrows. Anyway. And we got, well, of course, your guitar pick. If I can even get it out. There we go. Ah, and it comes with more than one. Thumbs up for that. Seem pretty good quality. I'm impressed. Granted, this is my first iFixit kit. To try to save on money just a little bit, I did order this kit from Amazon. This is the suction cup to help pry screens off. Unfortunately, on iFixit, you have to spend over $75 in order to get free shipping. Otherwise, standard shipping is $7. I'm probably gonna have to pay shipping anyways because I gotta order that LCD for the switch light. Okay. Here's their screwdriver. Obviously, this is not their premium tool kit. So the top of this is plastic. Does revolve nice though. Has a pretty cool feel. Has a nice rubber grip around it, so that's nice. Because I think their premium tool kit has a metal top, and this is plastic. It's supposed to have a sim pin or sim ejector tool on it. Oops. Yep. There's that. Sweet. Now I can't quite get it on with one hand. I'll fix that in a bit. Anyway, hey, by the way, if you do go online, I know that Jerry Rig, he's talked about how he's got entire kits that he's actually partnered with IFixit where you can get his Jerry Rig knife with an IFixit kit. That's looked pretty cool, but I have my own that I got this quite a while ago before I even got that. So anyway, so there's the entire iFixit Essential Kit. You can check it out for yourself on ifixit.com. Otherwise, it's also on Amazon if you want to check it out. It's the same price. It's roughly about $30. I would recommend, and so far I'm impressed. I will be using that for the Switch. Well, I don't want to call it a teardown, but for the Switch Lite repair. But with all that said, thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.